Do you struggle to find key points in lengthy texts? Efficient summarizing saves time and improves understanding. Today, we'll teach you how to summarize any text using ChatGPT. First, gather your text. Copy the section you want to summarize. Next, open ChatGPT. Paste your text into the chat box. Clearly ask ChatGPT for a summary. For example, type, "Please summarize this text." After that, review the generated summary. Ensure it captures the main ideas. If needed, refine your request. You can add specific details to include or exclude. Next, practice with different types of texts. Try articles, reports, or essays. This builds familiarity with the tool. Finally, integrate summarization into your routine. Use it for note-taking or when preparing for meetings. This will enhance your productivity. In summary, you learned to use ChatGPT for quick summarization. Gathering text, making requests, and reviewing results are the key steps. Tailor your approach for efficiency. Now, apply these steps in your daily tasks. Start summarizing effectively and save valuable time.